our esteemed public school district supervisor, Sir Angelito Silianos, together with our school principal, Sir Efren C. Panosilio, and our keynote speaker, Mr. Rev A. Laguda.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Malugod ko pong binabati ang ating mga kagalang-galang na panauhin ngayong araw. Sa ating kagalang-galang na Public School District Supervisor, Ginoong Angelito C. Llanos. Sa ating mahal na punong guro, Ginoong Efren C. Panosilio. Sa ating panauhing pandangal, Ginoong Rev A. Laguda. Sa mga magigiting at magagaling naming guro, mga magulang at kapwa kong mag-aaral, magandang Jensen!
Wow! Jensen! Home of the champions!
Basta Lantonian?
Disiplinado!
Nagsama-sama tayo ngayon upang ipagdiwang, magbigay inspirasyon at pagpapahalaga sa lahat ng mga naririto. Ang pawis, pagsisikap, at pagpupursige ang kolektibong ginugol nating mga mag-aaral, magulang, guro at buong paaralan upang makamit at may sagawa ang pagdiriwang sa makabuluhang araw na ito. Gayunpaman, sa harap ng mga pagsubok, hindi tayo sumuko. Pinatunayan natin ang katatagan at determinasyon na likas sa kabataang Pilipino. Ang ating kakayahan na lampasan ng mga hadlang ng may kahusayan at pagtsatsaga ay sumasalamin sa diwa ng ating tema, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Totoo ngang matatag tayo mga batang Lantonian, di ba? Muli, isang pagpupugay sa matatag na kabataang Lantonian at maalab na pagbati sa inyong lahat.
Sir Angelito Silianos, our school principal, Sir Efren C. Panoncillo, our keynote speaker, Mr. Dranreb A. Laguda, mga guro, mahal naming mga magulang, mga magsisipagtapos, at sa lahat ng naririto, isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sa hapong ito, tayo ay nagkatipon upang ipagdiwang ang isang matagumpay na kabanata sa buhay ng mga kabataang ito. Hindi pa po ito ang katapusan ng kanilang pakikibaka upang maabot ang mga mithin sa buhay. Bagkus, simula pa lang ito ng kanilang kapanapanabik na paglalakbay tungo sa tagumpay. Habang pinagmamasdan ko ang mukha ng mga kabataang ito, hindi lamang sila mga mag-aaral na sabik sa mga magaganap ngayong hapong ito, kundi mga individual na lumaki, nagsikap at nagwagi sa mga nakalipas na taon sa kanilang buhay sa elementarya. Hindi lamang nila naitawid ang mga hamon, kundi inuwi pa ang karangalan sa ating paaralan. Ang maabot sa buhay sa hinaharap. Ikinagagalak naming marinig na kayo ay nagtagumpay sa buhay. Batch 2023-2024, good luck to the future you are about to create. Thank you and God bless everyone.
Let me read to you the message coming from our Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines as well as our DepEd Secretary, Vice President Sara G. Duterte. Ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat. Ang araw na ito ay patunay ng inyong pagsusumikap at ating pinagagalak nang makita kayong lahat na masaya at puno ng pangarap. Para sa mga kabataang magsisipagtapos, isang mahalagang hakbang ito sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Ngunit, umpisa pa lamang ito nang malayo pa ninyong lalakbayin. To the parents whose dedication has never wavered, I offer my sincerest thanks and deepest admiration. Your children's transition from elementary to junior high is a testament to your unending support and undying love. Let us uphold the spirit and ensure our homes remains pillars of the matatag educational ethos.
School, I, Efren C. Panoncillo, have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of school year 2023-2024, composed of 223 boys and 207 girls with a total of 430 successful learners. After scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation. I therefore certify that these candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the elementary education curriculum. Sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
Thank you, sir. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the duly authorized representative of our school's division superintendent, Isagani is de la Cruz, Season 5, of the Department of Education, Soc-Sargent Region. I, Angelito Silianos, the Public Schools District Supervisor of Apopong District, and having been presented and duly certified by the principal that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the elementary curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, I now confirm you elementary graduates of Langton Elementary School for school year 2023-2024. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of graduation. Mabuhay!
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to build a stronger future. And today, we celebrate the power of education as we proceed with the distribution of diplomas. May we request our public schools district supervisor and school principal to assist us in the distribution of diploma. We are also requesting the Raymond Cart C. Caniega, Jerome E. Casipe, Kian S. Kuya, Christian Vinjosh B. Dakutan, Chad Altor Diaz, Prince Aaron B. Diaz, Wensbro O. Diaz, Carl Brandt L. Tumaran, Jared A. Garando, Mark Gian A. Garrido, Vincent Inato, John Mark G. Enquilio, Reynaldo N. Lador Jr., Prince Harvey M. Unida. Harvey N. Licos, Leander C. Loon, Kiefer V. Mahinay, George C. Manriquez, Reden P. Martinez, Cyril J. M. Montaño, Juriel G. Obusan, Rico A. Ordinaria, Janzo T. Pacificar, Gabriel Francesco G. Palmera, Elijah Faith S. Pinson, MJ G. Radana, Christ Emmanuel T. Rante, Stanley Kurt D. Sabine. Matt Aaron Q. Salabao, Dins Henderson R. Salamanca, Crispin Joash P. Salutan, Mir Jade R. Tantingan, Marcus Shen A. Valencia, Yasser T. Abdullah, Ian Abukay, Justin Abueme, Kenneth L. Adam, Tristan J. D. Adepa, Japper A. Alaman, Erico J. Aldehan, Sammy A. Alo, Jergos P. Amorado, Vince Lawrence A. Amogis. Soriano, Rain C. Ortigas, Jerry L. Awitin Jr., Arjun P. Awitin, Aldrey James Azucena, Renante Azul, Apek T. Bakulan, Raper C. Badilla, John Mark B. Bago, Prince Carl L. Baha, Sultan S. Bakil, Pastor L. Bandon,
Sami.
Clifford J. R. Baran, Rain L. Barcelona, Nefi Emmanuel B. Barida, James Carl B. Baton, Jesse M. Bendijo, Joshua M. Bendijo, Chris John B. Bernal, Roel J. M. Besa, Kobe M. Biba, Prince J.O. L. Borex, Reggie A. Bulawin, Clint V. Bustria, Ferdinand N. Cabrino III, Anuel B. Camacho, Edwin L. Caparos Jr., Rance E.J. A. Caril, Jermaine James Claridad,
Sultan.
Gerald M. Polino, Mark Rangel D. Quadra, Roel Paul P. Kulangan, Mark Joseph Dapsan, Muhaymin P. Datukaka, Anthony Carl J. Delocano, Prince Bryson A. Tiposo, Muhaymin T. Dimalen, Danilo P. Dipatuan, Chrismar Raj S. Tulay, Kim Joshua C. Tumanon, Rich Dalar Dumapias, Ronel S. Iboran. Ivan Ray O. Igalam, Rojan Gabriel M. Ilorde, Natski D. Hernadas, Charles S. Espartero Jr., Ethan Keith E. Espina, Jimboy L. Estenso Jr., Roger Ferrer, J. Bart V. Puentes, Justin J. Gasilan, Michael Dre E. Galiposo, John Paul Galon, James Racid C. Canoy, Cyril P. Gogo, Vincent Paul M. Gonzaga, Abdul Rafi P. Haji Yusuf, Komini P. Insua, Datin Prince P. Insua, Jacob Javier, John B. Junko, Lawrence F. Puvita, LG G. Webesa, Samir P. Kusain, Jerfrine T. Lagpang, Rex J. S. Lejano, Gian O. Liagin, Simon Ray A. Llavado, Lil L. Logroño, John Paul Londo, Raimundo, Jefferson P. Mabuyaw, Chris J. P. Maceda, John Brian C. Mahinay. Vince P. Mallorca, Robert A. Mamburao, Vincent Dave F. Mamogay, Vince Axel Von U. Mananquil, James Cyril R. Maputi, Kurt Axel G. Maragante, Wilex L. Maravillas, Teresito C. Marinduque Jr., Jello Masaglang, Hans Lester B. Menor, Asmin A. Minandang, Gian Lee S. Mokoro, Ronnie James Moyon,
LG.
Ramjet G. Ningaska.
Rex J. Ian. I-capture ko na si Jungko.
Justin B. Oblido, Urban D. Ocampo Jr., Muhajir M. Omar, Nuruzman
Simon.
K. Omar, Ricardo Zaijan S. Omega, Ray John B. Orteliano, Arvin B. Pakatan, Kian H. Padan, Rosendo W. Padan III, Jemuel C. Padios Jr., J. Y. Palamos, McRae D. Pallets, Fritz Daryl Palma, Idris Nasser D. Pamplona, Joe Harry M. Pangulima, Pete Alexander Paraiso, Xander Kyle C. Paraiso, John Ray C. Paran, Reniel Patiluna, Reniel P. Paila, Raymond P. Paila, Lizien J. S. Pileros, Muhajid S. Piang,
Ako guys,
John
hindi malupat.
Gabriel R. Picardal, John Michael R. Picardal, Dorvan G. Plarisan Jr., Lance Christoph Purillo, Alyunos Puntuan, Clarence Paul B. Quirante, John Mark B. Kiskis, Kurt Aaron Ramos, Wendell Rome, Justin S. Sakahan, Muhayben A. Sakadal, Hammer A. Saidon, Clarence Salamancat, Christian J. Salazar, Reverend F. Saligan, Javier Q. Saliman,
Kayo kayo kailangan nagigani ka magtanaw.
Jackson Summer, Kurt John Samiliano, Rafael S. Sampiano, Yuhan N. Sanchez, Harris Sanday, Ronel S. Santiago, Jobert B. Sayaw, John Michael A. Senyo, John Rex G. Serra, Joven M. Shanko, Chris Hans William, Rendell Rico, Ferdinand S. Tadifa, Datu Zahid H. Thailand, Cyrus J. C. Totoan, Clinton Dave Tayoto, Zachary C. Tudo, John Vincent A. Tumbaga, John Kyle C. Villacarlos, Clark F. Villahermosa, Morsi I. Villamor, Romel J. A. Villamor, Archie B. Villoan, Barangay, Retzel J. Igo, Jeller D. Zagales.
Di ba kaya? Wala sila didastig no? I hope makaya tani sa girls. Kaya ito first below pa. Ano ba tungok-tungok again?
Hannah P. Ambi, Jervis Cruz U. Canomon, Elithea Zal P. Gepesao, Rochelle Angelic D. Paninsoro, Julia Anika E. Anga, Jessame P. Antepuesto, Stacy Jane B. Apazo, Jean Pauline F. Apilado, Cristel Jane I. Aviles, Chloe Nicole S. Balmes, Crijel Hain L. Baron, Yaka Luis S. Batulano, Raven Joy C. Belonio, Real Zoe T. Benjamin,
Di ba dapat naglipot rin sila dito sa likod?
Hazel Joy S. Bernardino, Lauren May B. Boycer, Wow, Jacqueline T. Calabria, Jamela May R. Cojale, Shama May R. Quico, Tessa David, Andrea A. Dawa, Angeline May B. Del Solor, Lindsay Nayumi A. Jamada, Jelly Ann May S. Genola. Rian Rose T. Dugaduga, Shane Miley A. Enrina, Rachel Kate E. Flores, Rebecca D. Gavin, Zania Cia B. Gagliarde, Jen Catherine T. Gamolo, Giselle May M. Gandam, Elise Jazzle A. Garay, Kylie May J. Garcia, Jesu Marie Godin, Isa A. Drongla, Cindy Hashima Haji Ali, Alexa Laika N. Hilado, Miles Y. Intensha. Norjana U. Lago, Cyril Faith C. Lago, Christine May A. Lambot, Jerry Shane S. Laurente, Christina Cassandra A. Magbanwa, Kaisha Love A. Magdaparan, Armina A. Mananquil, Ruby B. Miparano, Kiara Zinin C. Mission, Eucharis Navarro, Yojabel Shin E. Ocampo, Jaylu Mien U. Oranza, Chantal Paglangan, Joylan C. Pahilanga. Lasa Marie Ann Panelio, Zolan Faith Pamaniban, Arian Rose C. Pasumbal, Princess Laika D. Pescachosa, Chloe Jazz C. Piquero, Alexa Valerie F. Pomperada, Designy O. Pontillas, Audrey G. Prame, Glasel Faith B. Ramos, Precious Nicole P. Ripuyon, Queenie J. Rosario, Melvin R. Ruby, Sophia Claudette G. Saicon, Rochelle Sophia A. Taborada. Uro, Lealyn O. Vigor, Alia Lu Villafuerte, Nasrat J. Abulkadir, Naraina Abidin, Abigail J. C. Abitan, Christine Abratigin, Althea Pearl C. Aguirre, Christian B. Alvarina, Rita May S. Alil. Stephanie Jane S. Almaden, Aprilyn P. Ambi, Denise Tesha M. Andaya, Charlie B. Aniversario, Jelay C. Anoos, Shansi Ni M. Arances, Diana A. Archaga, Althea April Artigas, Chloe B. Arubo, Sheena Jean M. Ogis, April Jane Baan, Trisha May Bakuna, Diana Marie H. Bagam, Samantha Kate E. Balyao, Christian Jane Arbanyas, Norsica L. Bandon, Alexandra Y. Bangkis, Eliza A. Baragir, Charmaine B. Barreto. Jillian G. Bartolome, Jaina Marie K. Bautista, Ayesha Kiyashi T. Benauri, Princess Laika Beto, Ashley O. Betsusa, Rosalie Catorna, Stella Marie T. Cambi, Roland S. Cañega, Crystal H. Canoo, Arjun May Caramonte, Rosella S. Casas, Nessie E. Cacipe, Chelsea Pauline D. Collado, Giselle Rain D. Cortado, Krisha R. Costillas. Erwin Faye P. Dambo, Christian B. Dayucos, Lay Althea R. Dayuno, Cyril Angel B. Desena, Irene Chin M. Digoma, Prislin Nicole M. Delfino, Raisa De Pozo, Norfahima P. Dimacuta, Paula Shuren May B. Domile, Rena Jane Doliano, April Brooks R. Eltagonde, Aisha Cyrus D. Endrina, Marian Joy P. Escalada, Tyrone Mitch Estreto. Natalie A. Gagliarde, Hazel Marida C. Ganoy, Jessa May J. Gansing, Kyla May J. Garcia, Mary Joy T. Helia, Soldan S. Nemarino, Sheila May L. Getis, Rachel K. Glenogo, Charlie Ann T. Glodove, Francis Rose B. Gumban, Julia Brianna Alexa B. Halawig, Aliyah Halil, Bejay M. Hiramil, Ariana A. Imarga, Mia J. Inocando, Kim Jin Habakon. Princess Diane P. Pahinay, Nicole M. Malatabon, Hania S. Mama, Sheena May Manguba, Pia Manolang, Hadaling E. Mama Zagrea Chai Muyargas, Princess Lofi E. Molina, Renalyn May B. Moiso. Anami D. Navarro, Lori Moriel C. Ortega, Jassel Pakay, Cristel Luz D. Padayhab, Mary Claire Pangilinan, Colette Gwen Pelobelio, Callan Gwen A. Pelobelio, Jelen Grace Piedad, Eunice L. Plumos, Empress B. Pulonan, Shazzy Faye O. Quintinita, Cristel Don L. Rodillas, Kisha Kai Ruiz, Hamsha Sagabay,
Pamay na yun.
Camera A. Saidon, Samantha D. Salamanca, Alicia May A. Salibumba, Ashley Samoya, Percy Grace Sanchez, Rihanna Satigan, Kyle Jane C. Sanyel, Angel May S. Sape, Rizabel B. Seco, Alexandra Sean, Irish Join Soho, Rhea May A. Tabacon, Chloe Shanti E. Tagaha, Jonaisa M. Palusa, Floribel S. Tachado, Maynut A. Caruyan, Crystal Joy Tejares, Rachel Ann L. Tejares, Norma Tiban, Erica B. Torreverde, Sahada F. Usman, May Kyla Kate R. Villarreal, and Baby Jen A. Lamo. Request the parents of our academic awardees to please stand by as we are now about to award our academic excellence awardees and special citation awards. And now, we will be awarding exceptional learners who have not only demonstrated outstanding academic performance, but have also made significant contributions to our school community through their involvement in various extracurricular pursuits. Ladies and gentlemen, an awardee for specific discipline in social science and a recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. With high honors, Jane awardees, please standby na po kayo dito sa gilid. Para hindi po tayo. Awardee for specific discipline in technical, vocational, and a recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. Also an awardee for specific discipline in science, service awardee for SELG, service awardee for YESO, and the recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. With high honors, Rosel is also an awardee for specific discipline in Communication Arts Filipino and a recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. For SELG, Service Awardee for Barkada Contra Droga and a recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. With honors, Kian Keith P. Aceveros. Honors, Frederick Carr P. Alvamar. With honors, with a recipient of the KCC Excellence Award. With honors, Von Cyrus L. Ami. With honors, Alexander J. B. Bagnol. Received the Boy Scout of the Year Award and Athlete of the Year for Table Tennis. This award for SLG and Boy Scout of the Year Award. With honors, Jumel Christopher S. Betir of the Year Award for Badminton. With honors, Andrew S. With honors, Andrew is also with honors, Prince Adrian H. Whitford. With honors, Prince Ethan H. Whitford. With honors, Aljon D. Pulisic. The Excellence Award.
Ay, salamat.
With honors, Raymond Card C. Canega of the Year Award for Badminton. With honors, Kian S. Cuyab. With honors, Christian Vinjosh B. Vinjosh will also receive the Service Award for SELG and Boy Scout of the Year Award. With honors, Chad Almor Diaz. With honors, Prince Aaron B. Diaz. O. Diaz. our YesO and Boy Scout of the Year Award. With honors, Harvey and Lico. With honors, Leander C. Loong. Lalan May B. Boyser. With award for Guest O. With honors, Jeriel A. Campbell. With honors, Jacqueline T. Calabri, and Athlete of the Year for Volleyball. With with honors, with honors, with honor, with honor, with honors. With with honors. With honor. With honors. Rachel Kate E. Flores. Award for volleyball. With honors. With honors. With honors. Jen with honors. Giselle May M. Gadam. Elise Jazel A. Garay. With honors, Kylie May. With honors, Jessica Marie Gooden. With honors, Isa A. Yola. With honors, Cindy Hashima Haji Ali. With honors, Alexa, Laika, and Hilado. Alexa will also receive the Girl Scout of the Year award. With honors, Norjana Yulago. With honors, Cyril K. C. Lago. With honors, Christine May A. Lambo. With honors, Jera Shane S. Novente. With honors, Christina Cassandra A. With honors, Kaisha Love A. Magamalan. Kaisha will also receive the KCC Excellence Award. With honors, with honors, Arbiana. With honors, May Jane E. Tarazona. With honors, Rian G. Tolentino. With honors, Princess Dorine D. Tubol. Pascal B. Muro. Also received a special award for ESO. Service awardees, athletes of the year, and Girl Scout and Boy Scouts of the year, please prepare your up next. Alia Lu Villa. Service award for SELG. Hans. Boy Scout of the Year Award, Samir Kusain, Mark Joseph D. Palejado. Boy Scout of the Year Award is given. Athlete of the Year Award for Athlete of the Year for Volleyball, Samantha Kate. Our graduates and special awardees.
Angelito C. Llanos. To our school's man of action, our school principal, Efren C. Panoncillo. To our honored guest, Mr. Dranreb A. Laguda. To our beloved teachers, dear parents, and my fellow graduates, a beautiful afternoon to all of you. Do you all feel great today? Wow, that's good to hear. I still can't believe that today we stand at the threshold of a new era. Sino ba ang makakalimot sa lahat ng mga pagsubok at saya na naranasan natin mula sa apat na sulok ng ating silid-aralan hanggang sa labas ng ating paaralan? Mula sa mga biglaang pa-quiz at recitation ng ating mga teachers, sa mga items na exam natin na nalilito tayo sa tamang sagot, sa mga kilig moments natin, sa napagsayaw sa ating performances, napagsayaw sa MAPE, sa mga exciting at nakakakabang contest na sinasalihan natin sa labas at loob ng paaralan, sa lahat ng clean-up drive, sa araw-araw na pagwawalis sa paligid ng Acacia Tree, sa mga pagkakataong hindi tayo ready sa reporting at leaders lang natin ang panay na sumasagot, sa mga araw na napapagalitan tayo ng teachers natin. That you have achieved all of these because of love that makes everything better. As our national hero, Dr. Rizal said, the youth is the hope of the nation. Let us continue to commit ourselves to diligence and excellence as we are being groomed for the future of our country.
He is a shining example of excellence in academia and the field of hospitality management. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management from Golden State College in General Santos City in 2022, where he not only excelled in his studies, but also showcased exceptional talent and dedication in his chosen field. Throughout his academic journey, he has been recognized as an academic awardee, demonstrating his commitment to scholarly achievements. His expertise in food and beverage, cookery, and bread and pastry has not only earned him accolades, but has also set him apart as a true leader in his field. As a consistent honor student and an academic awardee throughout all years of his attendance in school, his dedication to learning and pursuit of excellence have been unwavering. His passion for his craft and his relentless pursuit of knowledge have been evident in every aspect of his academic journey. In addition to his academic achievements, his remarkable talents were further recognized when he received the prestigious award of Mr. Asia in 2021, a testament to his outstanding skills, charisma, and leadership qualities. We are truly privileged to have him grace our graduation ceremony and share his insights with our graduating class. With a big round of applause, let us welcome our honored guest speaker, Mr. Dandrab A. Laguna.
Proud parents, ladies and gentlemen, good day and magandang Jensen. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate every one of you today. Congratulations to the people who made this event possible. Congratulations, parents and guardians who fully supported and provided the needs of our graduates today. Of course, congratulations to our dear graduates of batch 2024. Here, believing that I am capable of inspiring you even though I am still far from where I really want to be. But my beloved alma mater believed in me, reminded me of my worth and trusted me for this role. Ma-recall ko pa sa akong mind when I was also in elementary school. I was in your shoes too, maminaw sa guest speaker during elementary graduation ceremony. Unya, nag-aampo nga di raunta kaagidugay ang speech ni sir. Kaya para dili boring. Tama ba, students? On the brighter side, nagapangandisan ko nga unta maabot ang adlaw nga ako nasay ang mag-guest speaker pohon. Dreams do come true. I was once a student like you, and now here I am, a teacher dedicated to educate my beloved students. Makahappy and proud na isipon nga despite sa mga challenges sa pag-eskwela nga akong nakian, nalagpasan na tanan. To give you an idea, I was a professor sa college. While nag-discuss siya ato, wala akong kabantay na katulong din ay ko. Kasi pulaw. Unya, nakuratan na lang ko ato, kay kalitrida ko yung tingog. Hoy, laguda! Unya, nangatawa ko mga classmates. Pero may nasad kay sir mas labtanan ra. Pagtapos kayo ng elementarya. Years ago, when I was young like you, I always ask myself, what do I really want to do in life? Become a doctor? Engineer? Ito ang mga tanong na gusto kong sagutin, ngunit nahadlangan ng takot at pagdududa dahil bata pa ako at hindi ko pa kaya yan. With heartfelt gratitude and support of my parents, Mama Ana and Papa Victor, to my beautiful and smart sisters, Monette, Vian, and Julie, to my loved ones, my former elementary teachers who became my support system, gusto ko po silang isa-isahin.
Pledge of loyalty. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of school year 2023 to 2024,
We are graduates of school year 2023 to 2024.
do hereby solemnly swear to remain loyal and faithful to our dear alma mater, Lanton Elementary School.
nga ni-graduate karong hapon na 430 successful learners of Lanton Elementary School. Bigyan niyo ang sarili ninyo ng dare clap. Go! Of course, kasama ng pasalamat na yan ay para sa inyong mga magulang. No? Hindi naging posible ang panahong ito ngayon kung wala sila sa likod ng bawat isa sa inyo. So palakpakan din natin ang ating mga magulang. Salamat mga parents for entrusting your children to the people inside Lanton Elementary School. And this time, I would like to request all the teachers, palihog tindog. We have 80 strong teachers, including 3 alive volunteers nga mo'y nag-handle sa tanan nga needs sa ato ang mga learners. Mga bata, palakpakan na to ang ato mga teachers. Salamat. Siyempre, a special way of saying thank you should go to the grade 6 group nga mao'y nahimong workhorse for this particular event under the leadership of Ma'am Maria Fe Dormido. So I believe will soon be leaving us. Kung umabot ang result sa test, no? On top of this group of teachers, we have 7 master teachers. Palihog na tindog ang 7 master teachers na to. Thank you to our Almighty God for always providing us with what we need.
With these words, we send you forth to new adventures and achievements. Congratulations, graduates, and may you continue to strive for greatness and build a future that we can all be proud of. This concludes our 30-second graduation exercises. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Have a victorious afternoon to one and all.